I absolutely cannot stand these types of microphone clips, so let's do something about it. We'll start by removing the back of the microphone case, and note the silver nut and the silver screw. For this fix, we're going to use the button that's on the back of this old microphone that I was able to salvage. You can see here. We're just going to take this off and replace the clip on the other microphone, but we're going to do a little modification to it first. I start by drilling a hole through the middle of the clip on this old microphone. It's just aluminum, so it drills out very easily, and it's easier to hold this way while it's still attached to the back of the old case. The hole is drilled to the proper size, and I've countersunk it to match the existing screw. Once all the drilling's done, that's when I actually remove this clip or button from the back of the old case. As you can see, I've kind of ground it down a little bit with a file to make it nice and flat. And now, using an existing washer that I had, we'll be able to set it right on the back of our new microphone and put the screw in place. So here's our fit and clearance with the button clip attached to the back of the AnyTone microphone case. Plenty of clearance all the way around. Looks good. Works perfectly with the existing nut on the inside. Here's another quick look at the back. Nice and clean since we countersunk that. And here's a look all the way around at the new microphone. Totally put back together. There's the clip. Again, plenty of clearance there on the sides. Looks real good. I think I'm going to be happy with that. So that's it. Hopefully this video gave you some ideas of how you can modify your AnyTone microphone if you want to put this type of clip on the back of it instead of the clip that it comes with. If it did help you out, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to leave a comment below, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video.
If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.